Hi everybody, this is Rudolph. Today I would like to talk about how I teach little kids to play one hand loud and one hand soft. And that's something we encounter in a lot of piano music, and for younger students it's quite a challenge. At first you will hear a student play just the regular way. So once the student plays with both hands the first time through, I'll ask them, where's the melody? Usually it's in the right hand. Sometimes there's going to be a piece where the melody is in the left hand. But in this example it's in the right hand. So I will ask them to play the melody hand just separately so they can actually hear where the melody is. And usually they will need to do it 3-4 times so that they can get a nice sound. After they can play their melody hand really well, I will ask them to pretend that they play the other hand, but actually do it silently. So they will play the melody hand full sound, and they will try to do the other hand silently. And it's very important that they try to actually play all the notes in a silent hand, not just some random movements. Playing one hand silently and the other hand with the full sound is quite a challenge for younger performers. But they can all do it. You just have to be persistent and they will be able to do it. Once they can do it this way, then ask them to play the accompaniment hand, or in this case the left hand, super soft. Even if they lose half of the notes in the accompaniment, that's okay. And usually what happens, they think that they're playing it really soft and losing half of the notes, but they're actually playing the accompaniment probably at like a piano or mezzo piano level. So you get a good balance between the hands, and the soft hand is not too soft. I've almost never had a student who played the accompaniment too soft. Usually it's the other way around. This time let's try to play left hand super soft. Even if you lose some of the notes, that's fine, like this. Barely touch those keys. It's a few step process, but it works really well. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you find it helpful. And push the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I'll be making more videos. If you have a question, please leave a comment below. Thanks.